I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that
When I say SF, you'll say G. SF, SF. When I say SF, you'll say G. SF, SF. Okay, y'all.
Okay. Feeling it, I'm feeling it.
So we about to announce the next performer, y'all.
Yeah, let's do it.
And he go by the name of DSFG. Feel that fire, y'all make some noise.
Let's do it. Carnaval, make some noise. Let's get it.
Let's get it. Mic check. I like the sound of this mic. Like they said, my name is SFG. Straight up out of San Francisco, California. We got Frisco in the house. Let me hear some Frisco!
I don't think they heard you, bro. Say that one more time.
Let me hear some motherfucking Frisco! Yeah! Alright, this first song is called Go. It's produced by The GOAT. IDME over there. Everybody say what's up to IDME. You feel me? You dig? Go. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get everybody to bounce with me one time.
Turn them up then, bro.
Hey, let me get a little bounce. Go ahead, just bounce up and down for me one time. Yeah. Alright, I'm fucking that bass. Yeah.
Now I'm playing with his dance moves.
Go, one, go, get it, yeah, I like to live that fast life. Go, hit it, yeah, I like to go, hit it, yeah, pump me up that act right, wait up, turn them up, go, one, go, yeah, I like to live that fast life, grab my woods in a stack as I hit the dough, tap in with my homies and I hit the road. Set the Addy and you know I'm pulling up the show. I keep it mackin', that's the code. Hit him with the step back like I'm James Harden. I'ma get dumb up in this bitch and go retarded. I'ma hit the streets with my shit and close the market. Thinking that my shit slap now, well I'm only getting started. Ran off on the plug. Ever had to keep it G? Hell yeah. Will I ever give a fuck? Hell nah. Working 7 days a week? Hell yeah. Ever made it on a player? Hell no. Still smoking, keep it lit? Hell yeah. Ever wait for your paper? Hell no. Still staying on your shit? I'm a first class player, really all about a vibe. I'ma keep my shit on to the day that I die. Listen to my music and I'll take you for a ride. I'm right to the start, I'm a young man. How I live, and you understand. But I gotta grind while I'm sticking to the plan. People like me, I'm the mind, I'm the
and material.
But the more detailed ones are.
Oh, you back? You came back. I told you. I'm gonna need that B-roll, man. What's up? Need that B-roll, man. We get some of that B-roll, man.